shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
Everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I'm Karen. It is so great to meet you. I would love it if you hit that subscribe button and decide to take a chance on this channel. We do a lot of fun things here, and right now we are going to do a review slash quick eye tutorial on Jeffree Star's newest launch, which I was so excited. I got the opportunity, and it's such a pleasure to go to the Morphe store to get this product, and it worked out really well. And I know some of you guys get so frustrated. I drove the 2.5 hours, so I got it, and I just can't wait to share it with you. Are you planning on getting it? Did you have any issues with the launch? Let me know down below, and let's get right into this video and what this gorgeous palette can do. Hey everyone, so I'm going to do my first impressions with this. We're going to get right into this video. This is how the Bloodlust palette comes, and you guys have seen it because you've seen him reveal it, but it truly is beautiful. It's very soft. The packaging is definitely like royalty, and you guys know we want to be treated like royalty for sure. I have some swatches I can include in this video, but I really wanted to give you my first impressions. I did go to the Morphe store to pick this up, so I did not have to wait online because you guys know how frustrating that can be. Look how gorgeous that is. It's got a mirror. You've seen the clasp. I just want to do a nice look for you. I put MAC Paint Pot on my eyes. I have a little bit of staining from a previous look, but I wanted to do something quick together to show you how these formulas work. And we're going to talk about this palette. There's purples, there's pinks, there's a beautiful red. Let's just see, what can we go in with? Ooh, there's just so many different. You know what? Let's do Blood Queen right here in the crease. And we're going to use a Morphe brush. And we're just going to kind of swirl that in the crease. Look at that pigment. We're so spoiled with Jeffree Star. Right now, his launch is going on, and I just got back from North Carolina, going to the Morphe store for the first time. It was 2 hours and 20 minutes away, and quite the experience. I am going to upload a video on that if you guys are interested in seeing it. I know a lot of you said, vlog it. It was quite interesting. I will tell you, it did work out very smoothly, though. I was very impressed. I'm also going to have a giveaway going on. I may even post this video after the giveaway. We'll see. So far, I've got Blood Queen right here in this crease. And the reason I am doing my eyes right now over doing my foundation is because it's a new palette. Anytime I have a new palette, I don't know about the fallout. So far, I don't see any fallout, so I'm liking that a lot. And I want to go in with, I'm going to go in with a Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH34 brush. And I'm just going to take Deviant, which is this really pretty, look at that pigment. Are you kidding? Oh my gosh. You guys know Jeffree's formula. And this is a huge deal for him. Gosh, guys, if you were to meet Jeffree and can ask him one question, what would it be? I'm curious. I've been thinking about that. I don't know why, but I've been thinking about it. Okay, so now that I've laid down Blood Queen in the crease and Deviant on the lid, I want to take this Morphe brush here that I love to use for precision on my lid and go into Wet Jewel. And these are shimmers. I noticed with the shimmers, it's if you go in with setting spray, they seem to come out so much brighter. So I'm definitely going to do that. Let's get some setting spray out here. Okay. Let's see how this applies. Oh, it's gorgeous. It is gorgeous. I also picked up a lip gloss, guys. Look at that. It is beautiful. Wow. I am loving this. I'm actually going to go into the inner corner with it and just lighten up that entire lid with that color there. I'm loving it. I think it's gorgeous. Okay, let's move this. What do you think of the hexagon shape? I love that. I had a feeling he was going to do that ever since we saw Conspiracy and we'd seen a few in there when they were choosing, you know, the packaging for the Conspiracy. I was like, watch him do hexagon. Definitely. But I also thought this was going to be called like Purple Veins or something like that. Of course, I love the name that he chose much better. This is exciting to me. Playing with a new palette. Oh my gosh, like a kid. And with me being a single mom of 4 kids, going to the Morphe store for the first time was like an adventure for me. Guys, you're going to laugh at some of the things that I'm going to show you in the clips from my experience there. It might be in my other video. I'm not sure yet. We'll see. But right now, okay, so I've gotten that laid down. We want to play with more color. So I'm going to go ahead and go back in and just kind of blend out these 2 colors here. That lavender and that darker purple that we put with this Morphe brush. It's going to make this pop out any more. You see my hooded eyes looking big now? I mean, like, hello. And then I'm going to reach in for, oh gosh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, if you're new to my channel, would you say hello to me and tell me what your favorite color is? Mine is purple. And I absolutely love it. There is this color Dungeon in here. And it almost looks black. But it's not. And let's see. I'm using a Sigma. I think this is the E25. Yep. Oh, look at that. I just want to put that in my crease for some depth. Look how pretty. The pigment is insane. Totally insane right now. And I'm enjoying this. Oh my gosh. And it's almost time for some foundation. Yeah. So we can see how this look comes together. And then we can try out the lip gloss. My daughter picked out the lip gloss for me. I totally let her play hooky today. Yeah, I did. Okay, let me get foundation on. I'll be right back. Guys, so foundation on. I got some brows going here. I'm taking a blending brush with nothing on it and just going over this right now. Just to make sure everything is nice and blended. And then I'm going to choose like a shade to highlight the brow bone with. And I'm going to use my highlighting brush. It's my favorite thing to do. This is the Jaclyn Hill highlighting brush. And I think I'm going to go in with, what do I want to highlight the brow bone with? Let's go in with Your Majesty. Oh yeah, definitely. Nice. Oh, the pigment, Jeffree, great job. Great job, Jeffree. We might even be able to do the inner corner with that, but I want to kind of play with some more color and I want to put something underneath my eyes. So what I want to do is I want to grab, thank God I cleaned all my brushes. Don't you hate it when you got like a new eyeshadow palette and then you're like, oh my God, my brushes aren't clean. What am I going to do? Okay. I call these tidies. My tidies, the flat ones for underneath the eye. Okay, so what I can do right now, ooh, I really want to dip into, I think I got to do Vile Serpent. This color is just gorgeous. And I want to bring it up a little bit, but I'm going to tightly put this down here on my lower lash line. I'm liking that, but I do have a little bit of black there from a previous look. So I'm going to go ahead and put some setting spray on this. Let's see if we can get this true color to show. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Beautiful. Brush I was looking for in front of me the whole darn time. I'm in a silly mood. I haven't had any sleep yet because I've been up and I had to make that drive and it was so worth it. very dehydrated. Okay, so have you ever taken an angle brush like this, wet it with your setting spray, and dipped into a shadow that you wanted to use for liner? And I'm going to go back into that same shadow I just used, tap it off. I'm going to make a really nice line right there. And it also helps with fallout. I didn't see any fallout with this palette. So far, everything is blending beautifully. The pigment is there. The payoff is there. And I'm very satisfied with that. With the packaging, I love it because it's like royalty. Hi. Yeah. Okay, so what I think I want to do is just kind of take this color and bring it in just like I would an eyeliner. That's the beauty of these pigments. You can do that. And I'm going to go ahead and do some more setting spray. Oh, I love this. Guys, how excited are you about this palette? Did you have any problems on launch day? Did you drive to the Morphe store? Let me know what your experience was like. I'm really curious. Okay, so I've got that in there. Now what I want to do is grab a pencil brush, which is something that looks like this. And I just kind of want to go in and smoke it out a little bit. Give it that really pretty effect. I mean, I know the faces I make, but sorry guys, gotta be done. And now we've got that sharp corner right there. So what I'm gonna do is take my blending brush, make sure everything is good, right like that. And then I wanna go with that brush one more time, the angled brush that I was using. This is it. Yes, it is. And I want to really, really wet it. And I'm going to really dip it into this color. And I am going to make this so sharp. So sharp. Just like I would do a wing with a liner. Look at that. Hi. Hello. Yeah. I love it. The Eco Tools brush is one of my favorites to do this because you get such precision with lines and it's like flawless. This is what we have so far. I'm loving it, loving it. In on the inner corner with that wet jewel, that pretty pink color. And I want to take and try this. It's the LA Shockwave eyeliners. Yeah, that's going to help brighten that up. Oh, I like that a lot. Where's my sharpener? It's about time to sharpen this girl. There we go. These eyeliners are nice and cheap too, and I like them, and they go very well with Jeffree's pigments. Look at, oh, yeah. You want always, always, always. All right, you cannot look at your eye doing this. You gotta look away. It just makes a difference, huge difference. I wouldn't recommend doing that until you start slowly. But yeah, look at that. Isn't that amazing? Okay, so I do love me some black liner, and I am using, I could do black, or I could do, I think I want to leave it the way that it is. That's what I think I want to do. I want to go ahead and take this here, this angle brush, Your Majesty and Serpent together, and I put that on that brush that I used for the shadow for the liner. And I wanted to lighten up the liner on this part of the eye. Just like that. Yeah. I'm liking that. I love color. I love color. Oh, okay, great. Let's do some mascara right now. Okay, I've got me a nice look, and I put on a foiled lip gloss from Makeup Geek, and now I'm going to go in with Jeffree Star's. I believe this one is called Sorcery. The packaging is super cute. The scent is there. It smells really good. Maybe like candy? We're just going to give that a little bit of a jump. I love his glosses. They're not really sticky, nothing like that. Overall, the packaging, awesome. The colors performed well. I even swatched every single one of them. And now you guys know that swatches don't always mean that they perform well on the eyes, but I have not had any problems with his shadows. And every shadow that I used, and I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on my eyes, worked out perfectly. And then one on the inner corner as well. I think that was part of the one I put up on the brow bone though. So yeah. What do you guys think? I love it. Are you going to, did you guys get this this palette today? Are you planning on getting it? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and thank you so much for joining me for this video. I definitely would recommend it. It definitely is Karen approved. I will be looking forward to doing another video, guys, and definitely thank you to my new subscribers. Make sure that you leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear how you're doing. Tell me your favorite color. Mine is purple. That's one of my favorite things to ask. And I will see you guys in my next video. Check out my giveaways and all that fun stuff. And have a wonderful weekend, guys.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and